Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you two home decor ideas that I have. So let's get into items that we'll be using. Alright, we have this plastic candy container that I got from the Dollar Tree. Cute little container. And we have this jar here. It's an Arctic Garden jar. And we have our bling wrap from Totally Dazzled that we'll be using also. And we have our glue gun. Alright everyone, let's get started with my home decor ideas. Alright everyone, we're going to take our jar and our bling wrap, which I cut into strips, and we're going to be placing them on our jar going down. Not going around. I know you can go around with these things, but it has a different effect when you put the rhinestones, the bling wrap going vertical. So that's how I'm going to do them, going straight down. Okay, I had forgotten to mention that I got this jar from Dollarama, you guys. I got this jar in Dollarama, and yes, I know they said to use it for fishes, but you know, whatever decor item is out there, you can use it for whatever you choose, whatever you please, and place it within your home. Not because it says it's a fish jar, that means you have to use it as a fish jar. It will look beautiful as a vase. So that's what we're using it for today, you guys. A vase. And now we're going to add some bling wrap to the top of the vase because it didn't, the gems didn't go all the way up to the top. So that's why I just cut out this, our flower shape wrap, and I'm putting it around the top to give it a nice effect. And I also added some extra rhinestone bling at the bottom of the vase, which I thought the camera was rolling, but it wasn't. I'm so sorry, you guys. But as you can see, at the bottom I also added the wrap around the bottom part. And now we're going to bling out our candy jar, you guys. OMG. We're just going to cut some bling wrap from Totally Dazzled and go right around. And just make it a little bit more appealing. Baby, why your man not here? Tell me where he gone. And now we'll be adding the flower wrap going around the center. And I think I'm going to put some of the bling wrap going around the very bottom of the container. And here's the finished look, you guys. Our nice vase and our blinged out candy holder. I think they look very nice. And I love how the vase turned out. With the bling wrap going up and down, you get a different effect of when you put it just round in the circle, and that's what I wanted. And I think I achieved that look. It's a lovely vase. And here I'm showing you some ways that you could place our blinked out vase within a coffee table. I think it looks very nice, and our candy jar looks super cute. So you can have our vase with flowers in it. I think it looks lovely with flowers in it also. Or you can have it by itself as an accent piece. It looks very nice by itself only as an accent piece. I love accent pieces. I think they just look lovely. Alright everyone, I hope I've inspired you once again with 2 more lovely home decor ideas for you guys to do. And thank you for coming on and seeing the DIY that I did today. And don't forget to like and leave me a comment on what you think about these 2 items. And don't forget to share. And hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed to me, so you can come back and see more of the DIYs that I come up with to share with you guys. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye bye everyone.